Morning folks, Andy here and welcome back in the workshop. Just set out this morning to go and fit a side hatch into a boat, but it's pouring down, so we've abandoned that, and I've just come back down here into the workshop because I need to make some hinges for the new boat and my boat. The gas lockers, both of them, I chopped the old hinges off of mine because they're a right mess, and the new boat I haven't got any yet, so I need to make 4 of them. So I've had a go, and it's this type of hinge I want for the boat. So good strong hinges those. What they do need is I'll drill and tap the end of that and put a grease nipple on, so you can pump grease in. You know, not that they use much. Once every 2 years, put a bit of grease in. So anyway, that's what we're going to make. And to make them, I don't know if you can see, it's a roundish on the top. It's the rubbing strake that's going on the new boat in here. The rubbing strakes outside your boat, they're like a half round type section, a D section. So that's what that is. That's what we make them out of. And then a pair of bullet hinges. They are too wide, or too long for that. They only want to be 50 millis, but I ain't got any. So I'll have to cut them down, same I've done that other one I made first. So we'll cut them down. You can get them 50 mil, but I can't get any for a while, so we'll have to cut those down. I've got several of them, 70 millis or whatever they are. So we're going to chop some steel off of that, mark it out for the point and the radius, and we'll miter all the edge. So when we've mitered them, we'll then weld the bullet hinges on. That's it, forgetting what they call them. Right, we'll have to go in the dark shop and do them though. Alright, it's a bit cold in here today. I've got the burner on and we'll keep chill out of air with that. That's it, that'll last us an hour or something while we get this steel cut and get a dab on. Right, let's get on with it. Right, so I'll use this as a template now. Right, as we're grinding and cutting, I'm wearing my mask and my earmuffs, and I put my apron on to stop burning my overall. Right, they're in the vise, so I'm going to get the grind and scallop them out now. Okay, so we're doing it the other hand to that one. So that's going there. So we're just going to relieve that edge there, same as we have on that bit there. So I just now need to cut a little bit off of that. That's that. So I'm going to weld that to that and that to that. I'm going to use a TIG set Right, so we'll get set up with the TIG. We'll have that on, but we'll finish his groove first. Set up now. So I've used this piece of new steel here as the straight edge, so it's a fence to hold that there. I've cut that off to there, so I'm going to take that one onto there and this one onto this one, and then once they're tacked on, I'll cut the back end of this off in line with those. So that's what we'll be doing now. Right, got that sorted now. It was just got a bit out of shape with welding holes, so I just drilled it. So have a look. I'll just put them up on a mock up there. So that's how they'll go. Now you've all seen them on the boats. But couldn't find any for sale anywhere, so whether you just have to make your own, I don't know. I can't see anybody selling them. But that's my version anyway. But like I say, I will drill and tap those 2 points and put a grease nipple on them for the sake of it. Right, that's it for today folks. I'm going home, going to the pub for a beer. So thank you everybody who subscribed to the channel, and I hope you're enjoying it, and I'm enjoying doing this new boat, doing my old boat up and making all the bits and bobs, and just put it on a bit of interest for people if they like to see how some things are done, you know. So anyway, see you later. Ta-ra.